Hey you guys, this video is about how to make money off YouTube. If you're interested, just keep watching. The first step is to just use your email, your regular email account, and start a YouTube and go to YouTube and make sure that you have a YouTube account. And so you just go to youtube.com. Most people already have a YouTube account, whether you know it or not. If you've ever been on YouTube watching videos and liked something or signed in, I'm pretty sure you already have one. But if not, it's easy. You would just sign up. So the next step would be to monetize your channel. And in order to do that, you have to have at least 12,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers. So I know that sounds like a lot, but if you know that eventually you're going to want to start making money on YouTube, or it's something that you've always been interested in, I would suggest to start now. Just, upload a video, even if it's just a family video or I don't know, a YouTube live or something, just to start getting people to start coming to your channel. Don't worry about all the fancy banners and stuff that you see. That's not really necessary. The important thing is to get 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 watch hours. That's something new. It hasn't always been that way with YouTube, but okay. If you already have that, which you may have and you don't know, just go to your creator studio, and it's just right under your logo. Even if you don't have a picture there, like my picture is there, you can just click on the symbol. Usually it's the first letter of your name. Just click there, and again, go down to Creator Studio. Once you're at Creator Studio, it will show you at the top like how many views you have, how many subscribers. After that, you need to go to Google AdSense. If you have enough views, then you need to go to Google AdSense. Google AdSense is the part of Google that keeps track of how much money you're making and your views. So this is my Google AdSense. So the first thing you would do once you get to Google AdSense is just fill in the information to sign up for an account. After that, you have to go through a verification process. YouTube is going to send you a letter with the pin on it so you can verify your address. That usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks. So that's the longest part of monetizing your YouTube channel, is waiting for YouTube to send you the verification card in the mail from Google with the pin on it. Once you get that letter, you go back to Google AdSense and you enter the pin, because it will say verify your address, enter the pin that's on the card that they sent you. After that, you're going to have to enter your bank account information. Once you do that, you have to go through another verification process, but that's usually pretty fast. So YouTube is going to deposit a few cents into your account. And once you see that deposit from Google, go back to Google AdSense again and enter the amounts that they put in for so that you can verify that your banking information is correct. After that, you'll have to do your tax information, because yes, Google keeps track of the amount of money you make, and at the end of the year you'll get a tax form so you can file your taxes. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So the key to monetizing your channel is to start getting the subscribers, getting people to subscribe to your channel. Even if you feel like you don't have anything that interesting, you just never know. Just post a video and have everyone go watch it to try and boost up your views. tell them to subscribe to your channel. And once you get those 1,000 subscribers and the 12,000 watch hours, then you can make money off YouTube by monetizing your YouTube channel. And again, it could be anything. We all have gifts and things that we're good at. So whatever your gift is or your craft, just record yourself doing it, put it on YouTube, and you never know what may happen. And just share it on your social media avenues, and as people click on it and watch it, that adds to your watch time. So it sounds like a lot of hours, but really it's not. You can do it, believe me. So that's all there is to it, to this video. That's how you monetize your YouTube channel to start making money. Also, YouTube sends out, well, they don't send checks anymore. They used to send us checks, but now it's direct deposit. So, but your direct deposit is sent on, I think it's the 21st or the 24th of every month, but it's once a month. And you can track, again, you can track how much you'll make in a particular month. Also, you have to meet a threshold, which is $100. So, I hope this video helps. If it does, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And in the next video, I'll show you how to jazz up your YouTube video, your YouTube channel, because I know some people are a little hesitant about posting things because they look at other people's videos and they look so professional and jazzy, and they think that's what matters. It does once you get to a certain point where you become a YouTube partner, and that's just basically after you get your 1,000 subscribers and your 12,000 watch time, 12,000 hours of watch time. Then yes, that will matter. You want to jazz it up and make it look more professional using thumbnails and stuff. I'll explain all of that in the next video. And it'll just tell you how to get your intros and outros, how to get royalty-free music, and things like that. Just everything you need to make your channel look professional and jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.